Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Honor Pad V9. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Let's start by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then choose whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, hit Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Honor. Going back to an Android, thanks to all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in white pop-up. And then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Honor's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button to connect. Whatever you decided, just wait. Then close all ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!